What if I told you that you're folding clothes the wrong way? Today you'll discover professional folding hacks that save space, keep your clothes organized, and make your closet look amazing.
So this is the right way to fold clothes: easy to grab, easy to store, and stays neat. 1. A professional organizer who earns $1 million a year taught me this trick for folding pants. First fold the pants upward, then fold them in half. This method keeps your jeans wrinkle-free. 2. Fold your underwear as soon as it's dry, otherwise, it can get contaminated with bacteria. Folding them like this keeps them clean and tidy. 3. Socks are the same. If you don't fold them properly, they'll go missing. Start by arranging them in a cross shape, then fold them together. Next time you need them, you won't lose one. 4. Fold leggings this way, and they'll stay neatly organized. No mess, no tangles, and easy to grab. 5. For kids' clothes, it's simple. Just fold them up, then fold them into a book-like shape. This way they stay clean and easy to store. 6. You can fold sweaters into perfect little blocks too, neat and tidy, and they won't unfold easily. Ladies who don't know how, here's the trick. 7. Long dresses that don't fit in the closet? Fold the dress body down to the hem, then fold the extra sides inward. Now the dress is folded into a compact block, perfect for storing in the closet. 8. Fold thermal underwear in pairs so they stay together. Just place the pants on top of the shirt, grab one, and you've got the whole set. Never worry about losing the other piece again. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to learn. I'll share more tips with everyone.